Okay, guys, this is the second day of trying to build, not actually trying, but building a six-figure cleaning business. So, for the second day, we're going to talk about picking a niche. Now, I've already said that I'm building a cleaning business, so definitely, of course, the niche is cleaning. But this process can be applied to any local business where contractors need to come to a customer's place and do the service. So this can include things like moving, dog walking, furniture assembly, that IKEA stuff, and basically things like that. I decided not to go and try to reinvent the wheel. I just decided to focus on residential cleaning because, well, this is actually the first niche I wanted to get into all those years. Plus, from the community, it seems like 95% of people who have success with this local business model, they're actually doing residential cleaning. So that's basically my niche. So I guess the video can end now. So anyway, about the cleaning thing, let me just touch a couple of things about the business so that it's clear to anyone who doesn't understand how it's going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this old school service, which is cleaning, and then position ourselves as a startup. Basically, just going to bring in technology, that's our website, and that's online booking, that's customer management stuff, and things like that. So we're just going to modernize this business, and then we charge a premium for that. When we charge the premium, then we're going to get our cut from there. Basically, we're going to approach local service providers. Those are local cleaners. These guys don't have time to run their websites. They don't have time to do marketing or to get more customers because they're always busy in the field, and that makes sense. So I will come in with my laptop, put in a very beautiful website, make it easier for customers to book online, do some marketing stuff to get the customers, and when I get the customers, I send the cleaners over to the customers. So the price that I'll be charging the customer will be a certain price, but I'll have agreed with the service providers how much I'll give them for every type of job. So for instance, let's say they're going to clean a one-bedroom house, and I'm charging the customer $150 for a one-bedroom house. I'll agree with the cleaners. I'll give them about 60% or 50% or 40%. Really, I will have to decide this along the way. And then, so if a job is about $50, if I'm giving the cleaners 50%, that means I'll end up with $75. So this is how the math works. And actually, this local type of business is I think it's kind of recession proof because people are always looking for help with cleaning their homes. And the best thing is that homes get dirty like every week or every month. So if you do a good job, then the customer is likely to want you to be coming to their home to clean, let's say after every 2 weeks, or maybe after a month, something like that. So this means that every month you can be sure you're getting some income or some revenue from the customer as long as you are doing a good job. And this is one of the things that differentiates this local service business from the typical affiliate marketing business. Of course, I know affiliate marketing, you can always sign up with programs that have recurring revenue. But majority of programs is just you send a customer to the merchant's website, you get your commission, and you're done. But with this one, you get a customer, do a good job, they can become a recurring customer, and when they become a recurring customer, you can even sell them more services. So think of things like window cleaning, think of things like laundry pickup, stuff like that. So a typical job that will have cost about $150, when you add in the add-ons like laundry pickup, carpet cleaning, and stuff like that, you end up having maybe a $250 job. So that's one of the reasons why cleaning is easier to get to six figures than perhaps affiliate marketing or these other types of businesses. Anyway, so let's do a quick math so that we see how we're going to make our six figures. So the math is this. So we're going to use a price point of $150. So let's assume that we're charging our customers $150. So if we're charging the customer $150 and then we get like 5 jobs a day, not in a month, 5 jobs a day. So 150 by 5. So in a day you can make about $750. So in a month, this would be times 30. That's about $22,000. And assuming that you're paying the cleaners about like 60%, so times 40, because the cleaner keeps 50%, you keep the 40%. So you end up with $9,000. It's easier. If you have like 5 jobs a day and you're paying your cleaners 60% of whatever amount you're charging the customer, you end up with $9,000 at the end of the month. And remember, this $150 is for a 1-bedroom house. Of course, the customers will be having like 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom. Of course, that means that the price point will be higher. So it will be easier to surpass this $9,000 goal. So basically that's the math. And if you want to get to 6 figures, then we just need to keep adding more customers. And we won't be looking for new customers like every day, since the customers that we get, if we put them on a recurring thing, let's say we do a good job and they become recurring customers. So we just need to add more customers and more customers along the way. So every customer that you close today is going to give you money for quite some time. So you just need to add more customers and more customers to make the math work right. So here's a little math. So let's say you do 50 jobs a day, times each job is about $150. We're just using that as a base figure. So that will be like $7,500 a day times 30. That's $250,000 in a month, times 12. You get $2.7 million. So that's how you build a $1 million cleaning business. Yeah, the math makes sense. I guess the whole thing will be getting these 50 jobs, like getting this class to reach 50 jobs. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. Of course, it's going to be a grind, and I'm here for the long haul, so I'm willing to grind. So if you make your 2.7 million a year, and assuming you're still paying your contractors or the cleaners, you're paying them 60%, that means you remain with 40%. So times 40, you end up with $1 million. So it's actually possible. And that's what I'm going to be trying to do with this cleaning business. I just want to get it to 6 figures, and then from there we see how things go. So that's the video for today. For about picking a niche. You guys already knew the niche, but I just wanted to share a few things here and there about the niche, or maybe explain things that some people might not have gotten well or nicely. So tomorrow or the 3rd day, we're going to start like really building the business, and it will be all about picking a domain name. That's all for today. If you're enjoying this series, make sure you subscribe to the channel or share the video with any person that you think will find it helpful, and let's build this business together.